Hello fellow YouTubers, it's Alex here. Just a short clip. I had my technical inspection today for the green Fiat 126P and the car passed. So that's basically it. However, I want to say a few sentences to the inspection itself. It's a two-step process. The first step is that they check the brakes, the regular brakes and the emergency brake, and then go on with just a checkup from the outside. So they check if the lights work, their emergency lights, their wipers, and so on and so on. Another thing they do in the first step is they take a sample of the braking fluid and check it for its boiling point. Obviously it needs to have a certain boiling point in order for the brakes to work properly. That's basically it for the first step. The second step is actually then on the ramp. They lift the car up and check from down below if there's anything wrong with the car. So obviously this check is very thoroughly done and takes approximately 30 minutes. So all in all, I was done after maybe 40 minutes and I was given the green light. So I was very happy about this. I keep in mind that this car has almost 25 years. I've had it for 3 and had 3 checkups. And I passed all 3 of them with flying colors actually. Until now, I didn't have to fix anything. So fingers crossed for the next years. And because I want to drive the car for the next 10-15 years. So hoping for the best. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Obviously hit the like button, leave your comments down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye!